How to make your boyfriend obsessed with you. You need to be sexually attractive, but also fun and intelligent. Show him how sexually attractive you are. You're not a slut, he just likes to feel like one sometimes. Keep your body very fit and shapely by hitting the gym. It can help you lose weight, build muscle, and even improve your mental health. Give him enough space when he needs it. If your boyfriend is obsessed with you and doesn't have time for himself, he won't be able to focus on his own needs. Touch him gently in a suggestive manner. Touch him gently in a suggestive manner. Run your fingers through his hair, or rest your hand on his shoulder. If you're feeling adventurous, grab him by the arm and pull him close to you so that he has to lean forward slightly to maintain balance. Buy him some sexy lingerie for you to wear in bed. A great way to make your boyfriend obsessed with you is by buying him some sexy lingerie for you to wear in bed. Compliment his appearance. You can also use positive reinforcement to make your boyfriend feel good about himself by complimenting his appearance on a regular basis, without being too pushy. Learn how to make your boyfriend obsessed with you by showing off your amazing personality and making yourself sexually attractive. Learn how to make your boyfriend obsessed with you by showing off your amazing personality and making yourself sexually attractive. This is a very important step, as it will help him see that the world is full of beautiful women, so he must be attracted to you because you're one of them. You have to show him that you're confident and don't need any help from anyone else to attract men.